Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would stick around, hit the red subscribe button down below, and then turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If I sound a little stuffy or congested today, don't mind me. I have the worst ragweed allergies. Every August, it just like gets worse and worse. And for some reason, Claritin just is not helping anymore. Also, my daughter woke up 4 times last night, so I am on my 3rd cup of coffee today. Yeah, struggle bus, but I'm getting through it. Anyways, if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a little bit, you know that I love unboxings, and especially Fabfitfun. If you haven't heard of Fabfitfun, it's a seasonal subscription box, so you get 4 boxes a year, 1 for each season, and I'm going to be unboxing the fall box today. I know in the States it costs around $49.99, but here in Canada I pay around $80 per box. I love Fabfitfun. I love getting products that I would never get anywhere else. I will say that this box is not as good as the summer box. The summer box had so many options of things that I loved, and I ended up buying like 4 extra things to add to the box. And this one was a little harder to make like decisions on the customization. So let's get started with the unboxing. Right, so the first item I'm going to share with you guys is this backpack, and it's the Botkier New York Trigger Backpack. So in the box there was options for this one, which is either the backpack or the tote. They look similar, but of course this is a backpack. I'm a mom, and so hands-free is always best for us, and this is worth $100, so that already beats the price of the box, which is why I love Fabfitfun so much. I think when they sent me my box and you can unveil like everything that comes in it, my box was worth like $350, so epic. I'll show you guys on the front of me so you can get a look. I like it. It's cute, it's small. I'll be able to hold essentials in it like my phone and my wallet and maybe a few snacks for my toddler. The inside is pretty small. It's got 1 pocket on the inside, and it's deep, which I like because right now I don't actually carry a wallet around. I like to just take my cards with me, you know, whole coronavirus and everything. And then it's also got these 2 pockets on the outside, which will be good for holding snacks and stuff for the baby. So the bag's adjustable on the back. It's got the adjustable straps to make it nice and long for me. And it also has a cute little hook on here. Next up is this Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I'll give you guys a good look. So this one was worth $38, and I always get the palettes because I'm not a huge like makeup person. I don't do my makeup every single day, and even when I do my makeup, like it's rare that I'll put on like a full eyeshadow or anything. I never wear face makeup, so when I do get the chance to get palettes, I know they're going to be good quality coming in the Fabfitfun box. I always choose them, and I really like these colors. These are typically the types of colors that I go for, and it's got 4 matte colors and 4 shimmer colors, so I'll definitely be using this. Next up is the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. This one is really cool. It's actually a mason jar, so if you take off the neoprene sleeve, you'll see it's just a glass mason jar, and it's 2 cups. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera or not. It says 2 cups up at the top, and it's got a nice wide opening for water. I like glass jars because if you put coffee in it, then you want to put water in it later, it's not going to like keep the smell or the taste of the coffee and just wash out nicely. And also the top is nice and wide so that it's easy to clean with like a dish brush. The only thing I will say is I wish it came in more of a feminine color like pink or purple. As soon as I took this out of the box, my husband grabbed it, and so this is actually going to him. Anyways, this one was worth $35, and that's good. Next up is the Runway Clip Trio from 8 Other Reasons, and this one I was really excited to choose to put inside my box. I love the colors of these. They're resin plated clips, and they're the alligator clips. So it comes in like a blush, a tan, and a cream. So these will be really nice for fall. And I mean, they're right on trend. Let's put that on there. Look at how cute that is. It's so simple to just add a clip to your hair, and it makes you look so much more put together. So I was really, really excited about these, and I love the colors, and I will definitely be using these quite a bit this fall. And those clips were worth $32. So the next 3 items were the 3 items that Fabfitfun chooses for you out of like a slew of other items that they have, and everybody gets like a random pick. I will say that I'm not keen on the 3 items that they pick for me. Usually when they do pick my items, I get exactly what I want, or at least 1 or 2 out of the 3 things that I wanted. This time I was 0 for 3. So the first one is the Beauty Crop, and it's a glow highlighter milk. Like I told you guys, I don't do face makeup, and I would not even know what to do with a highlighter. Anyways, this is worth $19.50, and I probably won't be using it, so I might save it to do some sort of a giveaway. Next was the Pet in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice, and I believe this has 4 sets of pedicures in them. Another reason why I wouldn't use this is because I don't do pedicures on my own. I would go out and get someone to do that for me, and so this is just pretty much like a waste in the box for me. This one is worth $20. And then the last one that I got that I didn't really want was the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment. And here, this is what it looks like. There we go. And the reason that I won't be using this one is because I don't do my hair on my own. I never do. I always get my hair done by a hairstylist. I have black hair. It's very difficult to do. And so again, this is something that I just won't use. But this one is worth $16. I also feel like they kind of gave me the 3 cheapest things out of everything in there. If I could have chosen, I'll show you guys on the page here. It's white, so it might be a little hard to see. But they had like a sleep mist, which I would have really liked. They had a pumpkin spice room spray, which I really would have liked. They also had this cute little black and gold clutch. I definitely would have liked that. I literally would have liked anything else other than the 3 things that I got. My sister and my best friend, they also have Fabfitfun subscriptions, so hopefully they get something different and I'll be able to do some tradesies with them. So the last item in the box, and I would consider this the big ticket item, this one was worth $85, and it's the Soya and Kayo, I hope I'm saying that right, scarfigan. So half scarf, half cardigan. It's woven, it's really comfortable, it feels like almost a wool material, it's got a cute fringe on it, and this will be absolutely perfect for fall. I love the blush and white color. This will go with all of the colors that I wear, and I can see myself wearing this with like a hat to like a pumpkin patch or something. So this one was worth $85, and I absolutely love it. I love it when Fabfitfun puts in some sort of wearable item, and I feel like fall time, they always give us something cute like this. So that's it for this fall 2020 unboxing of Fabfitfun. I have my Jilly box on its way, so I'll be doing a fall Jilly box unboxing as well very soon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite item for the box is, something that you would wear or use. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here, and I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!